being an all-around technician, I do everything. Bumper to engine, or to engine, to transmission, to suspension, to tires, to everything. One of my least favorite things to do is valve bodies, as we can see one right here, because I forgot the code. I'll put it on screen. But yes, we have a output speed sensor code. Now, it calls for a TCM valve body because the brains are in the valve body itself. But I don't trust not doing the speed sensor with the valve body. So got to take the tail shaft housing off in order to access that. And then of course the exhaust had to come off, the bracing in the rear had to come off. It's messy, and I hate making a mess with fluids. Now I do know some guys that do love to dig into transmissions, flying wrenches. I've been standing here staring at this thing for like the last 30 minutes just watching the fluid drain. That's how bad I don't want to make a mess when putting this valve body in and it dripping into my armpit, because y'all know armpit fluid sucks. Right, guys, we got the new valve body in. I gotta wipe that up a little bit because got those 10 millimeters torqued down to 70 foot-pounds, and then we're gonna put the pan on right now. All right, we got this thing all the way buttoned up, tail shaft housing sealed up, exhaust is on, drive shaft on. Now I'll pop this overflow plug, which is also the fill plug. Hopefully I don't hit my hand on that. There we go. Then connect our fill adapter, ATF 112, right up here. Finger tight. Get our quick coupler connection on there. Boom. Crack that open using the VVOR, ADA first, whatever you want to have it. They're all the same. Let it rip tater chip straight up in there. I'm gonna fill it at about 5 quarts, run it for a little bit, and then continue filling. Yeah, buddy. Easy. Y'all need to pick one up. And if you pick one up, convince all your other co-workers to get one also. That way you can have one for each fluid. Each one of you has one for each fluid, and you share it equally. That's what I'm trying to get that guy to do. He already bought one, but we're waiting on that guy over there to buy one. All right, time to see if we have enough fluid in this bad boy. Let's uncouple this, and we'll let her self-level. Now, in the middle of me doing this job, I got a phone call, a special phone call from a well-known YouTuber, Rainman Rays. If y'all are seeing this all the way to the end and y'all don't follow him, go follow him. I'll have him linked in the comments or in the video, so y'all go check my boy out, and we'll see when he uploads this video, and y'all see what I did for him. And here we have a 7-hour repair, all because of vehicle speed sensor issue. All right, now we have a good little drip. Let's take this off. Shake it and put the brand new plug in. Oh, I didn't want to get fluid on my fingers. And then that has to get torqued down, and it is brand new. Now, as you can see here, I am test driving the vehicle, verifying my repair, because before it was stuck in third and would not go over 30, and now I'm cruising here at 60 miles an hour, and I am happy because the vehicle is fixed.